Released just moments ago says taking care of your heart is really good for your brain. Medical reporter Liz Bonis shares details in today's Health Alert.
There is more evidence today that what is good for the head is good for the heart. And now this study shows the reverse as well. We stopped out at TriHealth's Priority Care in Western Hills to tell you a little bit more about this research. It has to do with those who have hardened arteries and high blood pressure. And researchers found that when people had hardening of the arteries and these plaques in the heart, they also showed up in the brain, a distinctive characteristic of Alzheimer's disease. Researchers say that the stiffness that's associated when your blood pressure goes high and you develop hardening of the arteries is not good for your heart, obviously, but it also can raise this risk for Alzheimer's earlier in life. Now, what do? You need to protect your heart, do all the right things, keep your weight down, keep your blood pressure down, and obviously lower your any numbers that your doctor tells you by taking certain medications. We don't know why there's this connection, but we're finding out more and more, and obviously our goal is to reduce the risk for Alzheimer's later in life. This study published in the Journal of Neurology. In Western Hills, Liz Bonis, Local 12 News.